Yo, what up, man? It's G.O.D. I'm about to listen to this Tupac Hail Mary. About to revisit the classic, you know what I'm saying? This is my shit right here, you know what I mean? I'm getting my drink on, you know what I'm saying? Everybody who listen to Pac know when you drinking, that nigga just harder, 10 times harder. Nigga already hard when you sober, but when you fucking drinking, when you got a little buzz, you know what I'm saying? Nigga crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me let this shit rock, though.
Machiavellian is Illuminati.
Whoever don't fuck with this song is a fucking hater too. Like, you gotta give props when props is due, man.
Hey, God said he should send his one begotten son to lead the wild into the ways of the man. Follow me. Eat my flesh of my flesh. Come with me. Hail Mary, run quick, see.
Only problem with this shit ain't loud enough for me, man. Fuck it though, we gonna make do.
I ain't a killer, but don't push me. Revenge is like the sweetest joy next to getting pussy.
One of the hardest lines ever. One of the hardest, the start of fucking, I ain't gonna say one of the hardest lines ever, well it is, but to start a fucking song, that's the first thing you hear. I ain't a killer, but don't push me. Revenge is like the sweetest joy next to getting pussy. Like, to start a song, that's the first thing you hear. That's like probably top five opening lines ever that I heard. You know what I'm saying? Like, to start a song like that, my nigga, like, the nigga, shit was crazy. Fuck it.
Paragraphs unloaded, wise words being quoted. Beat the weakness in the rap game and sold it. Bow down, pray to God, hoping that he's listening. See a niggas coming for me. My diamonds when they glisten. Now pay attention, best in peace, Father. I'm a ghost. These killing fields, Hail Mary, catch me. If I go, let's go deep inside the solitary mind of a madman. Screams in the dark, evil lurks, enemies see me flee. Activate my hate, let it break till I'm flaming. Set trip, empty out my clip, never stop to aim. Some say the game is all corrupted, fucked in this shit. Stuck, niggas are stuck if we bust out this shit. Plus, mama told me never stop until I bust a nut.
Fuck the world if they can't adjust. Yo, that's my shit right there. And then read it. I never like really just read the lyrics. You know what I'm saying? Like, this shit is like poetry, boy. Like, this shit is poetry. Like, this shit ain't just rap. This shit is poetry. The shit he's saying, like, you know what I'm saying? And then fuck the world if they can't adjust. That's my shit right there. It's like, yo, you know what I'm saying? Nigga, do your thing. Fuck the world. Like, fuck what anybody gotta say. Fuck the world. I'ma do this. If you don't like this shit, fuck you. You feel me? I'ma do this. I'ma do what I do. You feel me? I love that part right there, man.
Well, Hail Mary with me. Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see what we have here now. You wanna ride or die?
So if you don't like my fucking videos, fuck you, nigga.
What do we have here now? You wanna ride or die? La da 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 da. Penitentiaries is packed with promise makers. Never realize the precious time that bitch niggas is wasting. Institutionalized, I live.
Real shit, man. Like, I never did no long fucking prison sentence, you know what I'm saying? I've been in the precinct a couple times, but I never was in there for no year, months, or no shit like that, you know what I'm saying? But you realize the precious time you wasting being in that shit for a couple days, my nigga. Like, in one room, like, you in one room with a fucking toilet, you can't leave, you know what I'm saying? You can't really ask the guard shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, one of the shits I was at, the fucking bell to get in contact with them was broken. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't, and I was the only one in there. You just gotta sit there. You don't know what time it is. You fucking take a nap. You wanna call your moms or some shit. You don't know if it's 3 o'clock in the morning or no shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, nigga, I can't live like that, and I don't see how people keep going back. I see how they go back, like circumstances. You know what I'm saying? Like, some people got no choice, but you know what I'm saying? Like, I would definitely. Nigga, I'll try my hardest not to have to go that route. You feel me? My hardest, that have to be option Z. You feel me? But I felt that line, man.
My life a product made to crumble. I'm too hardened for a smile. We're too crazy to be humble. We ballin'. Catch me, Father, please, cause I'm falling in the liquor store.
After hit the CIA calling.
Can I get some more hell till I reach hell?
Nigga, that shit right there hit me. I love that part too, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, let me run that back, man. That's my part right there.
Father, please, cause I'm falling in the liquor store.
Catch me, Father, please, cause I'm falling in the liquor store. Like, yo, sometimes, like, you know what I'm saying? I was at that point before, man. I used to, like, I drink probably a couple times a week now, not too much, but there was a time when a nigga was just so stressed out, shit wasn't going my way. It's like I got that bottle, you know what I'm saying? It makes you forget about this shit. You just have fun, you know what I'm saying? When you stressed out, you know what I'm saying? Like, let me get that bottle, my nigga. That shit is calling me right now, man. Like, especially that Henny too. Like,
that's the Hennessy out here calling. Can I get some more? Hell till I reach hell. I ain't scared. Mama checking in my bedroom. I ain't there. I got a head with no screws in it. What can I do? One life to live, but I got nothing to lose. Just me and you on a one-way trip to prison, selling drugs. We all wrapped up in this living like the studs. To my homeboys and Click Max doing they bid. Raise hell to this real shit and feel this when they turn out the lights. I'll be there in the dark, looking eternal through my heart. Now Hail Mary, nigga.
Yo, Pac, I know Pac was on this shit when he wrote this. Like, you gotta be in the zone. Like, Pac ain't really like make too much joints like this. I think Smile was kind of like this with like the poetic shit, but like Pac, when he was in that zone right there, like in this song, he wasn't to be fucked with, man. I'm sorry, like the nigga, that shit was poetry right there, man. I'm sorry, man. If you don't like this shit, man, you just a hater, like, you know what I'm saying? Maybe I don't know my hip hop, you feel me? Like, I could be bugging, but this shit is fucking poetry right here, man.
Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see. What do we have here now? Do you wanna ride or die? La da 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 da. Come with me. Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see. What do we have here now? Do you wanna ride or die? La da 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 da.
They got an APB out on my thug family. Since I almost run these streets like these scandalous freaks. Our enemies down now, walking around half dead, head down. K blasted off a Hennessy and tie. Tronic mixed it, now I'm twisted, blistered and high. Visions of me, thug living, getting me by, forever live. And I multiply, survive by thugs. When I die, they won't cry unless they coming with slugs. The whole scene and whatever's going on around me, brain kinda cloudy. Smoked out, feeling rowdy, ready to wet the party up. And whoever in that motherfucker, nasty new street slugger, my heat seat suckers on the regular, mashing in a stolen black act. Integra, cock back, 60 seconds to the draw, that's when I'm dead in your feet first. You got a nice gab, but my heat's worse. From a thug to preaching church, I gave you love, now you eating dirt and eating work. And I ain't the nigga to put you on, cause word is born. When I was broke, I had to hustle till dawn, that's when the sun
hard. Like, yo, Outlaws was on their shit, man. Like, a lot of people like don't really give the Outlaws their credit, but the Outlaws, like, them niggas could rap, yo. You know what I'm saying? Them niggas could rap. Like, that's my part too, cause word is born. When I was broke, I had to hustle to the dawn. Like, I ain't putting you on, nigga. Like, you know, if you were day one, like, if you was down with me, you know what I'm saying? When I was going through my shit, when I was grinding, whatever, then I got you. But you know what I'm saying? Like I hate that shit. Even, you know what I'm saying, I do little shit now, you know what I'm saying, kind of profitable, whatever, but everybody want to get on now, you know what I'm saying? When I was telling you about the idea before, you was like, oh, world, that's all you got to say. Now that you see I'm making a little bread off this shit, yo, put me on. Nah, nigga, it took me years fucking research, everything, nigga, to get to a point where I'm making even a little profit, you feel me? So it's like, yo, like, nigga, put that work in, man. I'm not putting you on. You feel me? Like, put that work in, man. Like I said, unless you a day one a family member. Other than that, nigga, I'm not putting nobody on. You call me selfish, whatever, nigga. Like, fuck that.
Came up. It's only one way up. Hold your head, stay up. To all my niggas, get your pay and wait up. If it's on, then it's on. We break beat breaks, outlaws on the paper chase. Can you relate to the shit I don't got? Be the shit I gotta take. Dealing with fate, hoping God don't hold the gate. If it's on, then it's on. We break beat breaks, outlaws on the paper chase. Can you relate to the shit I don't got? Be the shit I gotta take. Dealing with fate, hoping God don't close the gate.
Yo, that was it, man. That's my shit right there. Pac, Hail Mary, classic. You know what I'm saying? Revisited that shit, just zoned to it real quick. You know what I'm saying? Definitely a classic. Rest in peace, Pac. Shout out to the Outlaws. Rest in peace to this nigga Gaddafi. You know what I'm saying? But I was just trying something new, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to go back and show love to the classics, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do shit I ain't here too, but I definitely want to go back and visit some of these classics, man. You know what I mean? But like, subscribe, comment, fuck with your boy, man.